Hello, and welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. I'm your host, Lindsey, and we're here to dive into the latest and greatest in crypto and blockchain. We have a lot of exciting things to unpack today, so let's dive right into it. Over on Discord, we have hit 3,816 members. This vibrant community is a treasure trove of tech enthusiasts and a direct line to our dedicated team. Over on social media, we shined a light on OpenSea's transformative experience with Pinata. Their team reports a monumental boost in performance, with latency reductions that turned minute-long waits into nearly instantaneous results. A staggering 99.2% speed increase marks this not just as an improvement, but as a revolution in their operational efficiency. This week, let's zoom in on Taiko. This is Ethereum, but not as you know it. Taiko isn't just a platform, it's a vibrant global community committed to scaling Ethereum through the innovative use of zero-knowledge proofs, or ZKPs. Since 2018, the Taiko team has pioneered ZK technology, crafting the first ZK rollup on Ethereum. Their mission? To deliver the most seamless, secure scaling solution to the masses. Over this past weekend, members of our team had the absolute privilege of engaging with some of the brightest minds in Athens, Georgia at UGA Hacks. As sponsors, we were thrilled by the nearly 20 teams that took on the Pinata Challenge, showcasing their ingenuity with a strong lean towards AI and blockchain applications. It was inspiring to see new developers dip their toes into blockchain, creating innovative apps and solutions. Are there some features on Pinata that you've possibly overlooked? Even seasoned users might be surprised. Our platform offers powerful tools like groups, key value metadata, workspaces, private IPFS, and analytics, each designed to streamline and secure your projects. These features, accessible through our paid plans, transform routine storage into robust, scalable, decentralized infrastructure. Dive into your Pinata dashboard to discover how these tools can elevate your developmental process. And that's a wrap for this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below to get more exciting insights from our team here at Pinata. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye everyone!